Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching how to do your own makeup setting spray. Setting sprays are quite pricey depending on the brand you go for. Like for instance, I have this bottle of NYX NYX, the brand I love so much, and it's run out, and I thought to do my own setting spray myself. So if you're in my shoes, I want to do your own setting spray, you can absolutely do this from the comfort of your home using the things you already have in your house. You don't need to necessarily go out to buy any other thing. And for this video, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be concentrating on those that have oily skin. I have oily skin, and this is the first of the videos I'm going to be doing for those that have oily skin for your makeup setting spray. So you don't need to run to the store if you've run out of your setting spray. You need just basically 2 ingredients for those that have oily skin, and I'm going to be using my pure green tea. This is a Twinings brand, but know that you can use any brand that you absolutely desire. It's not compulsory. It's just because I have those Twinings as well as so many other brands in my house. That's why I'm using this Twinings brand. And as the pure green tea, there are many green tea brands in the market. If you go to the supermarket, you go to a store, an online store, green tea is basically everywhere. Wherever you should find black tea, you should be able to get green tea as well. So to start with, I'm just going to be taking 2 bags of my green tea into this cup. This is the US cup, for example, and it is 250 millimeters, 250 ml. So just take, it depends on what you want. Basically, it's definitely going to be too much for this bottle, but I'm just going to explain it like so. So definitely, to start with, I've got my green tea bags here, and I need to make it sip right. So I'm going to be adding some hot water in order to get the best out of my green tea. So this is going to infuse for a while. You can see the way it is. So we have to make it infuse for a while. At the same time, make it cool, because we can apply it on our face like so. So let me just wait for about 10 minutes. Hopefully by then I would have gotten as much from my green tea. So guys, I'm back. See, our green tea has sipped well enough, it's infused well enough. Then optionally, you can add some tea tree oil to it, some tea tree essential oil. This also helps to control the effect of your oily skin, and it helps to fight acne and pimples at the same time. So I'm just going to add about 2 drops of my tea tree into this, and it is ready. It is ready right now. I'm just going to transfer this into my spray bottle, and I have I'll just use this bowl for So basically, my makeup spray is ready, and this is perfect for very oily skin. You can use any spray bottle you have. Just make sure you identify it properly, or you label it properly, so that you know that that is what you have. I have a lot left. Like I said, this cup might be too much, so you might just want to brew a little bit at a time. You can just brew like 1 tea bag using a smaller cup, a smaller jar, and you pour it into your spray bottle. But if you have a bigger spray bottle, depending on you, whatever is okay for you. So with this, you can spray it on your makeup. Your makeup will stay all day. It won't shift at all once you've done from the foundation properly. So this is a very good hack for those that are trying to get some makeup setting spray and they don't have a makeup setting spray at home. Kindly share this video, kindly thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think below in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye lovelies.